The puppies are outside in their pen. Oh, maybe this is going to be better if I come with the sun behind me. So, all 4 of them are up and busy right now, and Mr. Green is hiding underneath the tunnel having a nap. What is it? What do you want, Purple? So this is what the outdoor pen looks like right now. Oh, we've got a little bit of pool, a little bit of water in the pool, and I've got some toys, an umbrella, and we back onto a school, so they hear a lot of noises of kids play every time we're out here practically, which is nice. And that's it. We spend a lot of time outside. Not just in the pen, but also in the yard. That's it for today.